Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have my brand new Trendsend and we are going to get straight into the try-on. But before I do that, I would just want to tell everybody, for those of you who do not know what Trendsend is, I created a quick 3-minute little video that if you're interested, just click on this little letter I at any point in the video and it will take you to that video and it'll explain all the basics. And also down below, I left a referral link that if you click on that, you will get a special discount. I can't remember what it is, but I will write it at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, so definitely take advantage of that if you're interested in it. With all that said, we are gonna get straight into the try-on and I will be right back. I'm back with the first item out of the box and that is this black jumpsuit. But before I get into the details, I wanted to quickly read the note from my stylist. She says, Sheila, welcome back to Trendsend. I hope these outfits bring you joy and a bit of normalcy when you get dressed each day. I focused on items from your wish list for this box, and Jill S. was my stylist. But that's the part I wanted to point out. I did not know you could go on Trendsend. This is only my second or third box, but I was watching Barbara from BC Sells, and she was saying how you could go on their website and put things on your wish list, and then you can get them sent to you. So that's a nice little tip for those of you who don't know, like me. But here's what she says. I got 2 jumpsuits sent in this one. And jumpsuits are easy one and done pieces, as you know. I was so excited to find 2 of the 3 on your wish list for you. I would add a bracelet stack to complete the look. I also love the colorful heel with the black jumpsuit for a pop of color. Okay, well, I didn't put a colorful heel. I put a nude heel actually, but oh well. Okay, so this jumpsuit is by New York and is double V neck jumpsuit in the color black for $67.49. Now I did pick this one out myself, and because that's what I'm looking for a lot of easy one and done outfits. But this one it looked cute on the model. I just don't feel like it complements me that well. I feel like it's a little too tight right in here, and then it puckers up a little bit right here. So I'm not a fan of that. I don't know if that's showing up. You know, sometimes black doesn't show up that well on the camera. But yeah, I would definitely have to size up, and then this would probably pucker even more. So yeah, it's just way too tight in here, but it's a good length. I mean, I'm 5'4" in case you like this, and it might fit you a little bit better. It had potential, but I don't think this is probably gonna be a keeper. Okay, like I said, she picked 2 of the 3 jumpsuits that I was wanting to look at, so I'll be back with the next jumpsuit. Okay everyone, I'm back with the second jumpsuit out of the box now, and this is a tropical print jumpsuit, as you can see, and this is from the company Moon River for $31.49, and that's probably why I picked it, because I like the price on this one. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's okay. I love the straps on it. I love the material. It is super lightweight and would be easy breezy for the summertime. But I think this might have been more of a possibility if it would have been more of a solid color, because I do like the wide leg to it. It makes it super comfortable. So overall, not bad, but I don't know if I'm in love with it. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, I'll be back with the next item. Okay, here's the next outfit out of the box, and it's 2 pieces. And we'll start with the top, and this is a satin shell in the color black for $22.49. Now overall, I like this black top. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see it. It is a satin and it feels very nice against the skin, and I feel like it fits me well. This is the way it looks in the back. And you know, a black satin shell like this, you could get a lot of use out of. It could be paired with a lot of items, and it's a really good price for $22.49. Okay, now let me back up, and she had me pair it with this camo skirt, and this is a camo Saturday skirt called Army, and this is from Sundry for $57.60. Now this is cute. It looks really nice, especially paired with this black shell, and it has nice little pockets here, and it's super soft and very, very, very comfortable. It comes up a little bit higher on the side, and I think it would be a nice casual skirt. I don't have too much camo. I've not got into that trend too much. So this is a possibility, but I'm not 100% sure. So what do you guys think? I'm not 100% sold on it, but I'm not against it either. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, I'll be back with the next item, or the next outfit, I should say. Okay everyone, I'm back with the next two items out of the box, and we're gonna start with the top. And this is from Trendsend, and this is a Gemma tie-dye top in the color navy for $52.20. Now this fits me really nice. I love the way it flows. I love the way it's cut underneath my arm. It does have a shell underneath, so I really appreciate that. And then just like a lightweight shell over the top. And this is the way it looks in the back. It looks like it buttons right here in the middle, but I was able to slip it on over my head without having to unbutton it. But the only thing is I just bought, I believe out of my last box, a shirt, a tie-dye with the same coloring and everything, except for it tied at the neck, if you guys remember that one. And it's so similar that I probably wouldn't buy this one. But it's a nice blouse. Okay, so let's talk about this skirt. This is the cut from the cloth Margaret skirt in optic white for $66.60. Now I truly enjoy this skirt, guys. I love it. It is so comfortable. It has a raw hem, is that what they call it, where it's all frayed or raw? I forget. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. But this is the way it looks. It's just super, super comfortable. It would pair nice with a lot of different shirts. And also she sent me two other tie-dye shirts, which I'm just gonna keep on this skirt and show those to you, since that's how she wanted me to style them. But I just, in my last thread-up box, I got a white skirt just like 2 days ago, and I haven't released the video, but you guys will see it soon. But the skirt was $9.99, and it's so similar to this one for $66.60. You see my problem, you know, I'm gonna go with the $9.99 one, even though I did like this skirt, and I really do like it, but I would have probably got it if I wouldn't have got lucky with the thread-up skirt. So for that reason, it's probably not gonna be a keeper, but it is an adorable skirt. Okay, so I'll be back. Like I said, I got two more shirts to pair with this adorable skirt, and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, here is the next shirt out of the box that she wanted me to pair with the white skirt. And this is from Allison Joy, and this is the So Lean tie-dye blouse in the color blush for $73.80. Yeah, that's a little high for me, but it is a lovely, I like the color. That's what I like about it. I love the blush with the white. A lot of tie-dye right now is blue and white. So this is the first one that I've actually seen that's like in a pink blush color, so I'm liking the color. And the arms are very unique and cute, but they're just not my personal style. I feel this would be really cute on the right person, especially like maybe with a pair of dress slacks, wear to work, you know, you work in an office environment. But you do have to wear a cami underneath this, so if you like this and you request this from your stylist, just be aware of that. But it is very lovely dressy shirt. And this is the way it looks in the back. And it does have a tie right, or a button right here, but once again, I was able to just pull it up over, or pull it down over my head. So this is probably gonna be a no because of the price, and it's just the puffy sleeves are just a little bit not me. But I will be back with the last the next tie-dye shirt out of the box. And I think I gave the wrong information on the last tie-dye shirt. I will put the correct information when I edit the video. But this was the Peyton Jensen Gemma tie-dye top for $52.20. Now, first off, this has totally blown my mind because this is a good example of, I have seen other YouTubers get this shirt and I freaking Loved it on them. It looked beautiful. When I seen them in it, I'm like, oh, I want that top. And now I was so excited when I got this top in my box. But for me, I don't feel it suits me. You know, that goes to show you what looks good on someone else may not look good on what I consider looks good on me. But it is a lovely shirt. It's super soft. But the things I'm not liking about it is the sleeves are too long for me. So I don't like that, and it's kind of big and boxy, and that's not exactly what I'm looking for right now. But the thing I remember seeing it, I think it was on Heather's channel. I'll put the name of her channel down below. Hey, it's Heather. She had this shirt, and I really loved it on her, and I thought it looked really cute. But here's the back. I love how it has the V with the string in the back. So I was really hopeful for this shirt, but it's not me, guys. You know, just because it looks good on someone else doesn't mean it's gonna look good on everybody. So that's the lesson I'm taking away from today's box. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the wrap up, everyone. But I wanted to show you why I'm not buying some of these pieces, because I've already got so much similar items. The tie-dye, I'm really starting to add up on the tie-dye. Like this white skirt, I'm sending this back, and I'm sending this shirt back too, because I just feel it's too big and boxy on me. But this is the shirt, or the skirt I was telling you that I just got out of my ThredUp for $9.99. And you know, I'm gonna pay $9.99 for that. And then here's two other tie-dye tops that I purchased. I got this one from Wantable, and then I think I got this one off my last Trendsend box. So yeah, I'm pretty good on the blue and white tie-dye, so I don't need to double buy. You guys can see that, you know, there's no need for that. So let's go into more. This, I was really hopeful. This was one I put on my wish list. I felt it was nice and basic, but I just felt it didn't suit my particular body shape. It was just a little too snug, and I'm looking for a more loosey-goosey feel. And this jumpsuit, I liked the loosey-goosey feel of it. I just didn't care too much for the pattern, so that's probably going to be a no. Now the camo skirt I enjoyed. I thought it looked cute and casual and comfy, and I love the pockets. I just felt it was a little, for my price range, for me, a little bit on the higher price for me. So this is going to be a no, just because I think it was almost $60, and I feel I could get this somewhere else cheaper. But my stylist asked, she was surprised that I even liked the camo, because I like this. And I think I've seen other people with this on, and I really do like it. But it's the price, you know? Now this one, this was only $27. So this is probably gonna be my biggest contender, because I feel the price for the money, I could probably get the most use out of it. So if there's any really strong contenders, it's gonna be that one. It's a good price, and it will pair with many items in the summer. And like I said, this one was just a little too dressy for me, so it wasn't my particular style. And then this one, this is what I was talking about, double buying. This is the one I bought off my last Trendsend, and this is the one they sent me today. They're just too similar for me. So for those reasons, I'm gonna send all these pieces back. So I'm probably just gonna keep the black one. That's most likely what I'm going to do. But I would love to hear what your favorites were. Did you like anything, and do you think I'm making the right decisions? Okay, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.